Howdy, howdy. Good morning, everyone. We're at the yard getting started. This showed up over the last night. Let me see if I can climb up here. Oh, good thing. Old bulldozer. I think somebody found a tag on it somewhere. It said it weighs like 14 ton. Got a old Chevy dump truck on it. Another one over there. Let's check out this old bulldozer. Man, this thing's pretty old in my opinion. It'll fool you though. You look at some of that old army equipment, you think it's old, but what's that say on that motor? GM Motors. It looks like Caterpillar yellow to me though. What's that? There's a tag on the front. Alice, what's that? Alice Chalmers? Dang. Yeah, it's old one. Oh, that thing, don't fall, man. Don't fall, cowboy. There's some old school stuff. Oh. Dang, look at that old, big, huge copper radiator. That's still worth a good little coin. Trying to show you all this without falling off of this thing. Man, you know, early in the morning, easy now. Oh, man. Yeah, they said, what are we saying, Mr. Red Wash? It's early this morning. They said, so this is a Landau trailer. It's got a winch on it, and they had to load her with them. I'm trying to move around without falling. Sure, I have no idea. They're probably going to scrap it, or not sure what they're going to do with it. I don't think. Sometimes I think, oh, they'll get rid of that and they hold on to it, or. Yeah, it's old school when you got a wooden knob. I mean, somebody might have replaced it and made it like that. But I don't see any creature comforts. Uh-oh. Well, they're unloading the dozer, or they're getting going on unloading the dump truck, so. I got some other things I want to show y'all real quick. Yeah, hold on. Well, I don't know why I never showed everybody the motorcycles and scooters we have at our yard. What got me thinking about it was I got a new subscriber a little while ago. I think it's FR4 Turbo or maybe F4R Turbo. I hope I didn't get it wrong, brother, but in his little icon there, he's got a picture of a motorcycle or something with two wheels. This one's wrecked pretty bad in the front, but I'm not a motorcycle guy. When I was a kid, I don't know, 11 years old, 10 years old, me and my mom we'd just left the house and we got on the highway, and this guy was on a motorcycle. He was going in between cars and acting like a hot rod, and he wrecked out and he slid underneath this big old station wagon. He was underneath the rear end, and my mom hit the next exit. We went back to the house and she got the family Bible out. I swear, we went right back to the house. She got the family Bible out. Let me wait for that train. Somebody was trying to put them together. I
guess so.
But anyway, so she got the family Bible down, and she wrote in there, "I, John Davis, will never ride a motorcycle." And she made me sign it. And to this day, I've never let a clutch out on a motorcycle. To this day, I've never let the clutch out on a motorcycle. I don't know why I haven't showed you guys the motorcycles. But I'm gonna make some videos today. Last couple days I've just been putting my head down and chopping, you know, chop. Let's knock some cars out. Let's bust them down. Well, we're about to load up and go to the other yard where y'all see me crush all the time. These are all for parts. What about like working here? You can climb around on a bulldozer or come over here and check out some motorcycles and stuff. Now look here, this motorcycle here, I know they took it over to the shop and they went through it and they said all it needed was a set of injectors. I know these bikes are pretty popular. A lot of people like them. Well, folks, we gotta get going. But bulldozers and motorcycles, that's how I start my morning. Thank you.